Hello students, today we will solve a problem on the reciprocating pump. So here they have given the data. Consider a reciprocating pump, that is a single cutting, if area of the cylinder is 0.3 meter square. So solution, given data. So what is the data given? They have given the area of the cylinder as 0.3 meter square and length of the stroke, that is capital L, is 0.2 meter. Then the number of cylinders, small n, is 1, and the speed of the pump, they have given the speed of the pump, that is capital N, is 50 rpm, that is revolutions per minute. Now they are asking us, and this is a single cutting, okay, number of cutting is 1. So this is the given data. Now they are asking us to calculate the discharge of the pump. So discharge of the pump, that is Q, is equals to A into L into N by 60 into N into number of cutting. So Q, that is discharge, is A, that is 0.3 meter square into 0.2, that is the length of stroke, into capital N, that is 50 rpm. So 50 divided by 60 N. So we will write it as 50 divided by 60. So it is nothing but we are converting this RPM, that is revolutions per minute, into revolutions per second. So into number of cylinders is small n, that is 1, to number of cuttings is also 1. So when you multiply these, we will get the answer as 0.05 meter cube per second. So here this is meter square, this is meter, and this is RPM per second. So here we will get meter cube divided by number of seconds. So the discharge of pump is 0.05 meter cube per second. So I hope you have understood the problem. It is very simple problem. Thank you.